Hello everybody, just wanted to make another quick video to show you some of the things we've been working on. Here's some of the scripting or blueprints that I've been putting together to get some interaction going. This one is on the switch. That's going to change the light color and set this value to on, so that in the level blueprint we can expose that variable. Here on the security camera we have just a few things here to move the camera so that it rotates through a timeline, and this makes the rotation, setting the values so that it is a clean rotation. Then up here we have a view cone on this particular object here. So if this sees the player, then what we're going to do first is it's going to get the value of the player down here. Actually, it's going to get the value of the player. It's going to set this boolean to true, has target, and change the light color to red so that we can visually see that it happened. And then here, once the player has left the view cone, it's going to change the light to green. However, within the level blueprint here, a little bit more going on. This contains all of the doors to set their original location. That way that it doesn't snap to the origin of the level, but the door will set its own origin right here. And then each door has a timeline to loop through and a position to go to once the trigger volume has been activated. And once we get up here to the last door, this is the one with the warehouse on it. Got a little bit more going on here. So once the camera above the door checks to see if it has the target, and if it doesn't, then it's going to come to see if the switch is on. And if the switch is on, then it's going to move the door, and it's going to set the boolean to false. That way it moves. And vice versa down here on the left and right side of the doors. But down here we have a false condition to where it's going to lock the door in its original location. So might as well compile that so that we can show you what we've got here. Let's go ahead and possess the pawn. So here we have the security camera. Well, first let's just show you that it works. Let's avoid the camera. Alright, door's open. Excellent. Now up here, we're in the cone, light turns red, and now door won't open. So we've got to go around the corner here to the switch, which I've just set up on a line trace, so that if the line trace hits the target, it's going to switch it. That way I don't have to go all the way into the room and activate it. So there, the little green light tells me it's activated there. And we get to go back. And there we go. See the light up there turned red, so it sees me. But it doesn't matter. Door's going to open anyway. So now we can enter in here. And there's going to be a guard here pretty soon. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed it.